Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a Zoom clone kind of an application basically where you can watch YouTube videos together with your friends basically. So this is not a normal Zoom clone, and you will see if I start this application you will see basically it will ask for your web camera permission. If you open this you will be assigning a random room ID. You will see after this localhost 4000 you will be assigned a random room ID. So this is basically your room ID, and basically here you can watch YouTube videos together. So basically here you will be watching your YouTube videos. So let me just show you the demo here. Let me just paste it here, connect it first of all. So here you can see basically you can just type the URL of any YouTube video that you want to watch together with your friends. So basically it's a Zoom clone, and you can see in this room I am the only person which is there. So I am only the person. So this is basically an input field out there. Here you will enter your YouTube video, and there are three options out there. You can watch YouTube video, you can play the video, pause the video. And now I will simply go to basically you will see if you click this, no video will be there. So you need to simply first of all copy this URL. If you see, this is here, you need to copy paste the URL. So if you just open this URL in a new tab, this is your random room ID which is assigned to you. Let me open it inside another tab. So you will see what it will do. Now two persons will be there, which will be, so let me just make it side by side. So basically I am on the same computer, so that's why I cannot replicate another user. So you can just share this URL with your friends, and if they open the URL they will automatically join in. And now basically I will select any video on YouTube. Let's suppose I select this video. I simply copy link address and simply I will paste this link here. You will see if I paste this, click on watch video together, you will see that this video will open here. And basically now these options are there. You can play this video. If I play this video, let me just turn on the volume of the, if I click play button, you will see the video will start automatically in both the browser windows. So you will see the remote user can also see, you can also say, you can even pause the video like this, and you can even play it, pause it, play it, pause it. And basically you can see two persons are randomly talking with each other and also watching the video. Basically it's called as a YouTube watch party, Facebook watch party you have also seen. So basically you can just select any video of your choice. You can also select some more, any one video, YouTube channel video, simply paste it. Now click on watch video. The video will change here in all the two browser here. You can see that. And you can even just let's suppose you want to have three users, you can copy paste in a third window. So you will see three persons will be joining in. You will see that, you can see that three persons will be joining in. And basically you can see this is kind of a Zoom clone kind of an application. Here you can just have multiple persons can join in at the same time. So if anyone just passes away, you can see their video will go away. You will see that. And basically anyone can play the video, pause the video. So if you click this, the video will start. If you pause it, the video will pause. This is this of application we will be building in this tutorial, guys, basically in Node.js, Express, Socket.io and Peer.js. So here you can just watch any YouTube video. You can just watch any song, any video, any movie together. So basically it's a very unique application which you can build in real time in using Socket.io. If you click this watch video together, you will see that your video will play. So in this way you can see that your video is playing here. So in this way, guys, you can build out this application. So I will write the full source code in the description of this video. After this live stream end, I will give you all the source code, and also I will type the source code in this video step by step. So if you have any sort of problem, you can ask me in the comment section. You will see that anyone can play it, anyone can pause it like this. You can see that. So it's a very awesome application. I will also deploy this application after this live stream on my website freemediatools.com. So I will also give the live demo where you can just go and simply create rooms and watch videos. So I will deploy this application on this website freemediatools.com. So let's start building this application. If you have any sort of doubts related to this application, you can ask in the comment section, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. So let's start building this. So first of all, guys, you will see that this is my PRJS server which is running on the system. You will see it is running on localhost 3000. PRJS, if you don't know about PRJS, basically it's a video chatting kind of a library. So let me show you the PRJS library. This is the library which is running on my command line. You will see PRJS, and it is running on this port number which is 3001. And basically for this application you need to run this PRJS instance, guys. So you can install this application. Basically just go to here Google and just type here PRJS. So you will be having this simple peer-to-peer with WebRTC, and basically you can install this library onto your system. There is simply a command out there that you need to write, which is npm i-g for global and PRJS. So simply install this by executing this command, and once this is installed on your system, you can execute this command PRJS, and this command will be successful. So you need to install this library first of all, and now after this we will be cloning a repository, guys. So I have already made a video on how to create a Zoom clone, basically how to connect multiple people together inside Node.js application. So web dev simplified does also make this application. I just copied his version. So he has a GitHub repository. If you just type here web dev simplified Zoom clone, and basically it has its own repository. So I just modified some code basically to build this application. So simply you need to first of all clone this repository, simply copy this, and here we will simply create a new folder. So I will go into the desktop directory and go to the projects folder, and here we will create a new folder which is YouTube watch. I will say YouTube watch, and I will be opening this inside a new editor. Basically this is my editor here, and let me first of all stop this application which is running here. You can see basically we will stop this application which is running. I will, so basically here also I will stop this, and also you need to stop your PRJS server which is running, guys. We will stop this PRJS server as well. So simply stop this. So, and here guys we will be basically first of all cloning that repository which is deployed on web dev simplified. So basically we will make use of git clone command and simply paste the URL. So they have this URL here. So simply you need to paste this URL, paste it here, and enter it. You will see it will be going into this repository, and it has created this blank repository, sorry, this repository code here. Let me show you. So basically it has created this folder Zoom clone with WebRTC, and here guys you need to cd into this folder. So we just need to go to into this folder Zoom clone with WebRTC, and simply you need to install all the dependencies which are needed for this application. So you can see that basically we need EJS, we need Express, we need socket.io, and we need UUID. UUID basically it will assign random rooms to you. So inside socket.io we can join rooms as well inside your application. So it will create this node modules folder that is needed for this application. So after this, basically it's a very awesome little Zoom clone kind of an application, a template which is there. We will modify this template to watch YouTube videos together. So basically after you do this, you just need to start your server, nodemons server.js. So if you start this, it is saying that address is already on use 3000. My something is running on my system on port 3000, so I can change the port number to, let's suppose I can change it here, which is 4000. So I can simply change this port number, and now if you refresh this application, you will see the server will start on listening port number 4000. And now guys we just need to start this PRJS server as well. So simply you need to basically open this inside this editor CMD, and basically here you need to start your PRJS server, PRJS dash dash port, and then you need to start this on port number 3001. So as you see this, your peer server will start on this 3001, and now if you visit localhost 4000, you will see your application running. So this is basically a Zoom clone. If you see that one person is there, it has assigned a unique ID. If you haven't watched this video, guys, I have given the link in the description of this video where I've shown you how to build this application from scratch. So kindly watch this video first of all before you watch this. And now if you open this in a new tab, you will see two persons will be there. So if you just see here, let me see. So just wait here. So if you see here, let me see. Just refresh your application, guys, first of all. Just you can see that. Now you can see that peer server was there. You can even listen my audio, guys, two times coming here because this is basically coming through this audio. So let me disable this. Let me disable this. Inside you this code, guys, you will see that basically. Just go to the room folder. Sorry, script.js, and here you need to disable this audio. Just make it false. So now you will not see my video coming. Sorry, voice coming. If you refresh it, so now you will not see my. Let me just open it inside a new tab. You will see that basically now if I open this here, so two people will be talking with one another. You will see that you will not see my. So you can even change this to three people. Let's suppose three people are there. You will see that three persons are talking with each other. You will see that. So basically now we will be embedding the YouTube video in the bottom screen. Basically here you can watch a YouTube video together. So for this it's very simple. Basically what we need to do is that we need to modify some little code inside here. So first of all you need to go to your room EJS file here, and inside this you need to first of all add some HTML code. So please hit that like button, guys, subscribe the channel as well. So first of all, we will be adding some HTML. So inside this HTML, guys, first of all, in the last video, I have shown you how basically we can use YouTube iframe embed API to embed YouTube videos. So we need this CDN link here. So simply paste the CDN link, which is http www.youtube.com/iframe API. After this, guys, we also after this we will basically have after this video grid we will have two break tags, and after this we will be showing a simple form where the user can basically there will be a simple form out there. We will be attaching the bootstrap class here. So for this you need to have a bootstrap CDN included. So right here at the very top you just need to include the bootstrap CSS CDN. So right here at the very top just include this CDN here. So this is the bootstrap CDN. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that we need to have a simple form here and just give it basically just wrap all this stuff inside your container class of bootstrap. This will give some margin and the padding. So simply just invoke this, just format your document. So right here inside this form field, guys, we will have basically three buttons. First of all to a simple input field out there, input, type URL. So here you will type the YouTube URL, guys. You enter YouTube video URL, and basically we will be giving a, let's suppose, an ID to it so that we can target in JavaScript, and that's all. And after this, guys, we will have three buttons out there. So the first button will be saying that watch YouTube video together. So basically we will be having a on click listener to it. So whenever you click this button, basically we will be attaching this a function here which will be changing the video. So it will automatically change the video and display it on the screen, and we will have two more buttons to basically play the video and pause the video. So this again will be a button here. So we will have the pause button out there. So you will see that. So here we can simply attach a on click listener. So whenever you click this, basically you will be playing the video. This function will execute, and whenever you click the pause button, your video will be paused. So pause video like this. So three buttons are there here, and now we just need to write our, so just give it a 4 break tags here. So now you just need to go to the JavaScript code, guys. So basically now, and also here, guys, after this, basically, we will be also be adding iframe tag here. Basically here we will be displaying the YouTube video that will be shown to the user, all the users here, and just give it a style attribute here. Just first of all, we will display it. So we will be giving a class to it of container, and after this, we will also be giving a bootstrap class of text center. This will center the video. And inside this, guys, we will have a responsive class which is embed responsive item. And we will be giving an ID to it of player. That's all. So here you will be seeing your iframe tag displayed on the YouTube video. So right here, we just need to go to our public folder and script.js. So this is the JavaScript code which is there, guys. So now we just need to basically write the basic code here, and we just need to declare some variables at the very top here. So the first variable we will declare it for, basically here, just create some space here. So we will be declaring a variable for the URL, which will be empty. We will be declaring a player variable, which will be the YouTube player. And then we will be declaring the video ID, which will be a static video ID. You can just take any example here, go to YouTube. YouTube video ID is nothing but you can just load any video of your choice. Let's suppose I load this video. Just copy this link address, and basically this is the portion of the video ID. So simply copy this portion here, and simply you need to paste this portion here inside your code. So right here. So simply let me paste it here. Just wait. So this is your video ID. Simply paste it here. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that basically now we just need to show the video on the screen. So for that, we will do is that we will we have declared a function here which is called as inside our, this function will call automatically when you press this button of watch YouTube video together. So whenever, so right here, just move this embed statement just right here at the very top, right here, just after this. So just paste it right here and just give a break tag here like this. So whenever you enter the YouTube URL, guys, whenever we click this button, we need to create this function which is change video. So this function will automatically execute here. So we will make this function which is change video. So just declare it right here at the bottom. So just after your peer connection is done. So here we will be declaring this function which is change video. And inside this function, guys, we will first of all get the URL that the user has written. So here we will simply say that document got get element by ID, and we have given the ID, sorry, URL. You will see we have given the input field. If you check here, we have given the URL here, ID URL. So we are just extracting which the URL that the user has written. We will get the value like this. And we will basically store this value here inside the URL variable. Just initialize it. After this, guys, we will simply extract the video ID by using this external function here, which is YouTube get ID. So this function we will write, we will pass the URL, and basically this is basically a simple function, guys, which will automatically get the YouTube video ID from the URL. So it basically makes use of regular expression. So it will give you the video ID. So that's it. So just after you get the video ID, guys, you just need to basically show the video on the screen. So right here, we will be showing the video on the screen. So where it is, Yeah, so after we get the video ID, we can simply emit event to the server side. Basically here we will be simply saying to the server that just the video is changed, and here we just need to pass this video ID like this. So this is the basically the video ID which we will pass to the server like this. So after this, guys, we will simply say that we will clear out the URL from the input field, so value is null like this. So now we just need to receive this event on the server side, guys. Go to the server.js file. We just need to receive this event that we are emitting from the client side, which is change video. Just open your server.js file, and here we will be defining this method. So input output on connection. So here you will be receiving this event. So we will simply say that socket on, we will simply say that change video. So this event will be there, and we are simply passing this. You will see we are passing the video ID here as an argument. So we will be receiving the video ID like this. So we will be receiving this video ID. So here what we need to do is that inside your server side code, guys, it is very simple. You just need to basically broadcast to all the users. So here let me just show you what we are doing here right here. So just wait. So basically what we are doing right here, guys, if you see, we are getting this video ID, which is socket on change video. So basically inside this function, guys, what we need to do is that this will be a simple arrow function, and here we just need to use the input output, and basically we will be emitting this event here like this, and we will be emitting this event to all the sockets which are available. So this, we will simply emit all the, so there is basically a method out there. If you check here, if I check my server.js file here, you will see that. So input output, let me see here, where is the file? Just wait. This is server.js file here. So you will see that basically input output dot emit. This is basically the thing that we need to do here. So we will simply pass this value, which is input output emit. So basically what it will do is that, let me just emit out this event here. Just wait, which is change video. So basically it will transfer this event to all the connected clients out there using socket.io, and here we will be passing this video ID like this. So we are once again passing this event back to the client side, which is inside room EJS file here. So right here you will go to your room EJS file here. So here inside your script.js, we will basically, what we will do is that we will simply, if you check here, inside what we need to do is here, we will be receiving this event that we passed here from the server side, which is change video. So now we just need to listen for this event. So this event will be, let me see where, yeah. So here you can define this socket here. Yeah, here we can just socket, and we have this event out there which is called as change video. Change video, and we will get the video ID like this. So here, guys, basically we will get this video ID, and inside this arrow function we will basically call a function which will basically YouTube. We will call this function basically, just call this function basically, just copy this and paste it, and here basically we are passing this video ID. And first of all, guys, you will see basically here we just need to first of all load a YouTube video, and I have shown inside the last video I have give the link in the description of this video, how to use the YouTube iframe embed API to embed a certain YouTube video. So you just need to copy this code. I will also give in the description of this video. So basically this is the code here. Let me paste it here. These are all the functions which are supported by this. Yeah, this was the, let me paste it. So these are basically the functions. So you just need to copy this code here and simply paste it. So right here you can paste it at the very bottom or wherever you can paste it. Simply paste it here. That's all. So basically what it is doing is that it is basically if you go to your room EJS file, basically you can see you are including this https www.youtube.com iframe API. So basically it is loading all the methods and the libraries which are needed for YouTube iframe embed API. So here we are passing our video ID, which we have configured right here at the very top. So this will load this YouTube video inside your application. So now basically we are calling this function, which is YouTube player change video ID. So here we are passing this video ID and this will simply load this video. So now basically if you run your application at this moment of time, so what it will do, if you just go to localhost 4000, so you will see basically your video will be loaded out there. And now if you open this inside new tab, the same room ID, you will see basically, so just simply I think you just need to refresh your PRJS server, guys. So simply this can be a problem. So just refresh your PRJS server every time you make this change like this. Now you will see two people are watching this video at the very same time. So now you will see inside there's two people are watching here. And basically we have these input fields out there, and this basically this is watch video together. We will simply configure these options. So now you can play this video. So now what we need to do is that, guys, we need to simply first of all style this input field out there. You can see it hasn't been styled here. So let me style this first of all inside your room EJS file here. So right here inside room EJS file, if you have included your bootstrap CDN, you will see if you have included successfully. So let me just refresh this application as well. So just refresh your application. What is the error coming? Why bootstrap is not loading? Let me see. Form group. So let me paste this code, guys, which is there inside this. You will find all the source code in the description of this video, guys. I will write a complete blog post on my website, so don't worry about the source code. You will see basically this is we are including this CDN of bootstrap here at the very top. So if you now refresh it, hopefully you can see that now it is styled your YouTube input field out there. And also we have three buttons out there: watch YouTube video together, pause and play. And now we just need to get the value of this. So right inside your server.js, we are emitting this event change video. We are passing the video ID back to our client, which is script.js. So here we are receiving this event right here. If you see socket on change video, and basically we are calling this video method. So let me just change this video. Let me open this inside two tabs out there. So you can see two persons are there. Now let me change this video to another video. Let me go to YouTube here and try to change this video URL. So let's suppose you can take any video of your choice here. Simply paste it. click on this button, you will see the video is changed here automatically in both the browser windows. So basically this is a power of socket.io, guys. Basically it is happening in real time, and here you can play this video accordingly. And now we just need to, if I press the play button, the video should play, and if I press the pause button, the video will pause. So I just need to attach these functionalities also. So it's very easy. You just need to go to your, and here we have binded these two methods out there. If you see this pause video and play video, so now right here we will go to the script.js, and here we will just write these methods here. So this is very easy. First of all, we will simply write these two methods. So first of all, in order to play the video, we'll simply say play video, and inside this video, inside this method, guys, we will simply emit a event socket.emit, and we will be emitting an event called as play, like this. And similarly, if you press the pause button, this function we have configured, and here we will again emit an event here which is called as pause. So these two events, we are triggering it from the client to the server. So now inside your server.js, we just need to listen for both these events. So whenever socket on play, so like this, you will see that socket on play, we have got the video ID. Sorry, we don't have anything here. So this is our arrow function. And similarly, when the user pauses the video, socket.on pause. So these two events are there, guys. So here what we need to do is, from here what we need to do, we simply need to emit out more events. So here what we will do is that basically from here we will simply need to from the server side, we just need to emit a event called as, let me show you. Yeah, so here we will simply use input output. So this will simply emit to all the clients which are connected in the same room. So input output emit, and we will be emitting a event called as play, and input output emit pause. So I think it will only emit to all the clients connected. So we only need to worry about the clients which are connected inside this room ID. You will see that this will so this will basically change to input output sockets in the room ID which is there. So a room ID like this dot emit. So just change this line to that one. So all the sockets which are present in a single room, we have got the room ID like this dot emit. That's all. This is meant by this statement. Now we just need to go to the client side, and we just need to receive these events. We are receiving it, sorry, play and pause. So just go to your script.js. So here we just need to just receive these events, which is socket.on pause and socket.on play. So this is very simple, guys. We will simply listen for these events. So whenever the server passes this is for the play. So inside this, whenever you got this, you just need to play the video. Now to play the video using iframe API, it's very simple. You call this player dot play video function. That's all. This will play the video. And similarly, we have got the pause one, and this is also very easy. We have got a method here which is called as player dot pause video, like this. So now you will see we are simply playing this video and pausing it. And now let me refresh this application, and so one person is there. And now let me open this inside a new tab. So now you can see two persons are there. And now we can take any video of your choice here. Let's suppose I take my own video, which I coding Shiksha. So I take this video, copy link address, and simply I paste this link here. You can just do it from any browser tab. It will let me do it from here. So now your video is changed, and now I can play this video as well. If I click the play button, the video will play like this in both the browsers at the same time. If I need to pause it, the video will pause. If I again play it, pause, play it, pause. And now you can even change the video accordingly. If you don't want this, simply copy link address. And this is basically the application, guys. You can play any YouTube video with your Zoom clone application. You can join multiple people and then watch the YouTube video together. So this is basically the application, guys. All the source code is given. I will give in the description of the video after this live stream is ending. I will write a blog post on my tutorial website where you can copy paste all the source code of this application. And please hit that like button, guys, and tell me in the comment section how you like this, because I think some comments are there. Let me read those comments, and a super chat is also there. Uh, let me. Could you please check the live chat reply? Okay, sorry. Hurt Siddharth, I am just checking here. Sorry for the late reply because I was just developing the application, so I was not getting the time. So thank you for the super chat, Siddharth. Greatly appreciated. And let me show. I have just posted a message to your video of the PyT chat and needed if you can build the video about getting live stream chats and then posting it in the Discord text channel every 5 minutes rate limit. Okay, I will check your comment, and I think it's related to that video that I made about the PyT chat module where we were fetching the live comments of the video. So basically, what you want a simple video about uh, getting the live stream chats and then posting it in a Discord. Okay, Discord text channel. Okay, I will definitely do that video. If I will definitely do it. I cannot tell you the exact time, but yeah, in if 2 3 days, I will definitely make that video as well. And greatly appreciated for the super chat as well. And some more coders is saying assalamualaikum. Doug boy is also saying good. Heart Siddharth, hello. Hope you are well. And some more questions are there. Hello sir, could you please tell how much Node.js is required for anyone to get job in Node.js? I think you just need to develop some projects that I am developing on this channel. You just need to basically just uh, put your job resume and build out some basic projects with the help of Node.js, Express, MySQL, MongoDB, Socket.io. So just make some kind of basic projects, and Node.js is very trendy in the market, and you will definitely get a job in a nice company. So yes, that is correct, and simple video about how we can do it using a YouTube API. Siddharth, I will not recommend that you use any sort of API because there is some lot of restrictions out there if you use YouTube APIs, and they also don't allow these fetching of large data. And this is you can use web scraping for this. You can use some Python scripts which will automatically do this process for you if you just want to fetch the messages of the videos. Let's suppose if you want to fetch basically the information about the video. So YouTube API put the restriction, a lot of restrictions. So this is not uh, I don't like to use YouTube API because for these reasons they will ban you, because if you extract a lot of data, your API key will be expired. You need to pay for the API, so that's why. Actually, I wasted 3 days behind this, unable to do it, and therefore needed a real PyTeach is great. But also, if you can do it with your API key, that's it's great from YouTube. Okay. So also a crash course on microservices a Node.js tutorial. Abash God is saying, okay, definitely I will do this. Microservices, it's a great trendy topic inside Node.js. Many people are uh, teaching about it. So definitely I will make a project on it. So you can just subscribe to this channel. Basically, on a daily basis, I post videos and live streams about Node.js, JavaScript, React.js, Angular, Python, PHP. All these languages, if you want to study, just hit the notification bell icon also if you can't get the notifications. And can we do like without API call, get all the messages while the live stream is happening and then put it in a Discord channel? No, you can't like a video. For liking that video, you need to have permissions, OAuth2 permissions. So for that, you need to have API key. But I was just telling that if you want to scrape the public information about the videos that is hosted on a YouTube, you can definitely use Python scripts, web scraping scripts. So that I was telling. For that, you don't require the API key. But for actions such as like the video, subscribing the channel, or posting a comment, you do need a authorization access token and OAuth2 like this. Sir, are you planning on making tutorials? I love your teachings. Please make it. So I am just in this video also I'm making tutorials. Every day I'm making tutorials. A total of 23,000 tutorials are there. So on a daily basis, I'm doing it. No, I meant I don't like to like the video. I'm saying that I just want to get the live chat of a live stream and put all that live chat in a Discord channel. Again, Discord also has a rate limit. Uh, that will be slightly complex. I don't know about Discord rate limit. Yeah, they do have some rate limit also. But fetching messages from YouTube live stream is easy, but storing it inside Discord channels, I think I need to study first of all their API, then I can tell you what about the rate limit. Putting the message in a Discord channel is done using a API. Okay. Yeah, I haven't used Discord API, so I can't tell you much more about it, but yeah, I will study it and then tell you. So if you have any more questions, guys, you can ask in the comment section, and you can also tell me in the comment section which videos you want to see, because I have lately see that YouTube videos are not getting the much views, and that's why I started these live streams. And specifically what topics you want to see on this channel, because I see that YouTube is not sending notification of all my videos to the subscribers, and that's why they slightly dip in the views. And this is not acceptable at all, because I'm not getting that much views on the videos that I want to. So I just want to clarify from you. Microservices and data structures. Thank you. I will look forward to the video. Okay, thank you, Siddharth, for super chat and also asking the questions. Yeah, I got your Apache microservices and data structures. Data structures I'm not that good at, but still I will try to make some videos on it. I'm perfect in Node.js JavaScript. I'm not that perfect in basically. Thank you, sir. Okay. So 6 people are watching the stream, guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and so thanks very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.